Afternoon, guys. Jerry again, Green Bushcraft. In the pub again.
We're always in the pub, yeah.
Yeah, we decided we're gonna head up to the special place, the BCF, the Bushcraft Forest. They've last minute camp. I drove here and I feel guilty because Mark has run here.
Run walked here, run hiked as they say.
And it's no small distance, 21
and a half miles.
21 and a half miles, fair play. So yeah, we're going to have 1, maybe 2 pints here and then walk up to the Bushcraft Forest and have a nice chilled out night. Hopefully a campfire, relaxing, music, you know the score. Come with us. Okay guys, we're up here. Just getting unpacked. There's Mark, he's in the, that's called the Zephyros, Wild Country Zephyros, if I remember rightly. And we're back in the good old Bushcraft Forest. We've not got loads of light left. Probably about another half an hour. It really is great to be up here. It's going to be an epic sunset over the other side of the forest, but we're going to stay here for now, get set up. Okay, we seem to have lost the light pretty darn fast. But yeah, I'm in the third time now in the Snugpack Stratosphere, the good old Hoop Bivvy. So impressed with this, honestly. It's that zip really that makes it. Yeah, and just a Snugpack sleeping bag inside. Gonna chuck my rucksack in my space there behind my head. Snug as a bug. So yeah, we're gonna get some food on the go soon. We're gonna get the fire going, and we are gonna chill out. We'll just go a stroll down here. So one of my favourite places in the world, just before we lose the light. Dead litter there, someone's left a Monster Energy, I'll take that home with me. Chuck that in the bin. There we go guys. Never get bored of this. Right guys, I text Ray, he said it's cool to start the fire. So we're in. The night officially begins now.
Fantastic, wasn't it?
If anyone asks, it will start with Fatwood. Right guys, I picked these cans up earlier purely simply because Mark likes Vikings and he's got a Viking on, but it's yeah, 1,000 millilitres, 5%, so that's 5 units of alcohol. But here's on your chest, Mark.
Outrageous.
Cheers.
Could do reps with it.
It's a hell of a can.
Curls.
Right, time to get a bit of tea on. I'm going with chicken curry, potatoes and rice out of a British Army rack pack. Just going to cook it, boil in the bag style, a bit of water in the old Crusader cup. So it's just a case of grab a few coals when there's a few more. We're not quite there yet. Stick this in the coals and let that just simmer away nicely. That's what it's all about, guys. Look at this, eh? Back at the Bushcraft Forest, me and Mark, cooking dinner, sampling fine ales. Well, I say fine-ish ales.
Large ales.
Large ales. have this talk of a live stream in about an hour. Right guys, chicken curry, potatoes and rice. Piping hot. Can't wait to tuck in. There we go. It's alright, isn't it?
It's burning me.
It's because there's just tons of little dead bits I just chucked on it. That will calm down in a sec.
Fire's dying down now.
If he's going to fall, it's worth filming. Molly's not bothered, look straight down. Whoa! I just stopped filming the scenery, mate, you nearly slipped.